Hi dear friends, today I'm going to talk about adverbs. These adverbs play a great role in IELTS, GRE, GMAT and SAT, especially in the reading section of these exams. Understanding adverbs may help you understand the text and feel the, let's say, the approaches made by the writer of a text. So, let's get started. First, for example, admittedly. Admittedly means that I must admit that. I admit that. When you have a clear position, but in order to be unbiased, in order to have a balanced approach, you use admittedly to show, okay, you see, I accept this part, but still, I have the main position at the, such as this. For example, you say that in general, people should be treated equally. But there are some cases, admittedly, there are some cases when we need to consider people's, let's say, performance while treating them. But in general, I believe that they should be treated equally. So, admittedly is like your 30% acceptance of in some exceptional cases, but in general, in 70-80% of cases, you think that they should be treated equally. So, admittedly can be often met in reading passages, and you can use it in your writing, IELTS writing, in order to show your position completely. Okay, for example, the other adverb, regrettably. So, regrettably is used to express regrets.
I state my regret.
For example, I did my best, but regrettably I couldn't pass this exam. So you see, you sit an exam, but you can't pass it. You fail. So you need to use an adverb regrettably in the beginning of your sentence to show that unfortunately, and you regret that something happened. The similar is unfortunately. You can use a number of adverbs in the beginning of your sentence, but sometimes adverbs are placed before verbs. For example, I spontaneously moved to some direction. We generally have some differences in the usage of adverbs, and some adverbs are used in the beginning and some adverbs are used in the middle of the sentence or before verbs, or even sometimes after verbs. For example, he did something quickly. So he did something, the object, and then quickly. But the case here is not with grammar.
I hope it's understood that that will be our only topic of discussion.
In this video, we are just analyzing the role of adverbs. Adverbs give emotion, adverbs give support, definitely, for example, and adverbs can give some doubt, for example, arguably. But if you give some certainty, certainly or undoubtedly, you can use these adverbs. So adverbs play a great role in any text, and thus while reading the passage, while reading any passage, any text, and any essay, you need to pay attention to adverbs and some linking phrases in order to understand the emotions and the approach, feelings, opinions of the writer who wrote it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because you will see new posts and watch new interesting videos about IELTS, GRE, GMAT and SAT. See you. Bye.